Hi everyone and welcome to Ecom for Free. Today we're going to be talking about where to find your products. Before we begin, please feel free to hit that subscribe and alert icon below so that we can combat that YouTube algorithm to get this video along with our other videos in this channel to more viewers so that more people can learn how to make money online. Alright guys, so we're going to be talking about two really big online e-commerce marketplaces. We're going to talk about Alibaba and Aliexpress. Okay, to give you an idea of what these sites are, Alibaba would be compared to Amazon, whereas Aliexpress would be compared to eBay or Wish. Okay, both platforms do a really great job with getting a manufacturer in front of you so that you can make a purchase. Okay, however, the key differences are Alibaba is for business to business and they do not allow drop shipping, whereas Aliexpress is for business to customer and they do allow drop shipping. Okay. Dropshipping is when a customer orders from you and you place an order from a third party, and that third party sends the product to the customer and you make the difference. Okay, with dropshipping, you don't have to have inventory and it saves you a lot on overhead to do dropshipping. We will be talking about dropshipping later on in this course. Okay, both platforms do not allow affiliate marketing either. Affiliate marketing is pretty much when you're promoting somebody else's product, and then when a customer buys that product, you get a commission on the final sale price, or what the customer, or excuse me, what the business owner made. You get a commission based off that. Okay. We will be talking about affiliate marketing as well later on in the course. However, if you want to get a jump start on it, if you want to dive into affiliate marketing, you can always check out the link below for ClickBank University 2.0. That's in the description as well. All right, so with Alibaba, you can negotiate pricing. With AliExpress, you cannot negotiate pricing. I know it's weird talking about negotiating a price point. However, in America, you really can't do that, whereas almost everywhere else you can. It just depends on where you are. When you see something here that's $9.99, that's what you're going to pay, $9.99. When you're on Alibaba, if you see something $15, you can message a sales director directly and see if you can come up with a deal to get it at a cheaper price point. AliExpress, you can't do that. Okay. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to show you Alibaba.com, Aliexpress.com. Keep in mind, you don't have to pay anything to use these platforms. Absolutely free, which is pretty cool. It's absolutely free. All you got to do is make an account, and that's it. You can use the platforms. I'm just going to do a simple product search on each one. I'm going to show you the detail page on each one, and I'm even going to show you how to contact a sales director and just give you an idea of how to, try to strike a deal. Keep in mind, China and US, the time zones are completely different. So when you're up at them and awake, they're asleep. So most of the time, the only way you can get a hold of them is late at night here because it'd be their daytime. All right. I'll also provide the links for Alibaba and AliExpress in the description below as well, guys. All right. So this is Alibaba.com. As you can see, it looks just like any other marketplace. In my opinion, it looks kind of like Amazon and eBay kind of combined here. It's fairly simple to navigate. I mean, you got your categories right here, and you have some products down here below that you can kind of take a look at. However, well, here you go. You have your account right here. I have contact requests. I have people trying to sell to me. I have messages, orders that I've already paid for that I'm awaiting shipment, and one that's pending payment. And then I got my cart. All right, so anytime you're wanting to buy something on here, keep in mind these people are used to selling in bulk. Always order a sample. Okay, don't order a lot on your first order. That's the biggest mistake you can make. Always order a sample and always contact the sales director. You have the option most of the time to add a unit to the cart and go ahead and check out. Don't do that. Always order a sample and ask the questions that you want answered from the sales director. It is a live agent, okay? But keep in mind, like I told you, they're awake during our daytime. They're asleep during our daytime. So you have to wait a little bit later for a response. I know when I first started using Alibaba, I would wait until late at night, and I would get everything done in one night instead of having a day between to get everything situated. But anyways, so let's take a look at the Air 2. Okay, I have a product called the Gen 2 that I sell on eBay, Amazon, and Walmart Marketplace. I sell anywhere from 20 to 50 of those per day at $49.99 a piece. Okay, let's take a look and see exactly how much it cost me to buy that unit. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, $6.50 to $9 per unit to buy this. Now keep in mind, there's different manufacturers here. Every one of these listings is a completely different manufacturer most of the time. Sometimes you get the same next or side by side, but most of the time it's completely different manufacturers. Like right here, this is misleading. An Aurora chip costs money. There's no way you won't get it for $2.99. You'll get a cheaper chipset if you buy it for $2.99. And generally, whenever they say $2.99 to $14.99, this price right here is if you order in bulk from for 100 to 1,000 units, something like that. But let's take a look. See, when you first start ordering this, it's $14.99. So what usually happens here is especially with this price point, I would try to negotiate with the sales director. Like, hey, I've seen other versions of these online on this platform for $8 or $9. Can you meet me at that price point? So let's contact the supplier. Let me go ahead and send my inquiry. And what I would say here is other products just like this are on this platform for, let's say, $9 per unit. Can you meet me at that price point? Also, I will need a sample. Yeah, it's almost in. Okay, so send inquiry. Wait for it to load. I need to get faster internet, guys. Man, I keep putting that off. Okay. Okay, it was sent successfully. So what I would do now is I would go to Message Center. And then I would simply find the person I just sent that message to. So I see the listing right here. I can kind of see it's real small, but I see it, so I know that's who it is. This is the sales director for them. Let's see if she's already replied, but hold on, wait for it to load here. Man, this is so slow. Okay. So this is just an automated response. Generally what happens is she'll message me back and see now the price has changed. Now it's $5.98 a piece. It's kind of crazy. I feel like that was automated. But basically she'll message me back and then we'll communicate back and forth and I'll ask her questions till we find a deal. I'll ask her to get me a good sample price and then we go from there. That's all Alibaba is. It's finding a product, negotiating price, making a sale, and then reselling. Okay, that's all Alibaba is. It's a really great platform. Let's go take a look at Aliexpress. This platform, I'm going to go ahead and be honest, I do not use this platform at all. For one, I don't believe in dropshipping. I've done it before. It works really well. The only problem is I just don't feel comfortable doing dropshipping because, for one, I'm not physically touching my product. And I'm all about customer experience. So I would much rather have the product in hand, make sure it works, make sure it's going to, be great for business, and then sell it myself. Keep in mind, you can't drop ship on Amazon or Walmart or anything like that. I don't care what anybody else says. You will get in trouble doing that. It's actually in the policies that you can't drop ship. And I don't care what any other person says. Don't do that. If it works for you for about a month or two, Amazon will find out, or the other platform, they will find out, and you'll get kicked off, and then you'll be banned. It's not worth it. All right, so this is AliExpress. This is that business to consume, business to consumer thing I was talking about. So we got charger cables right here for 88 cents. We have like cameras for $13. It's kind of cool. So you charge. Oh, we have headphones. Thing. This looks pretty much similar to Alibaba. Okay, let's go take a look at the same unit I just showed you on Alibaba. Let's go Air 2 Black. Let's see what pops up here. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this or not. AliExpress is wholesale. Everything's wholesale. Okay, let's see if we can find it here. Huh, what's not popping up? Let's try this. Let's try Black Pods Gen 2. Here we go. $9.99. See if there's anywhere else in here. That is absolutely ugly. Let me keep going. Okay, anyways, let's take a look at the one we found. $9.99. Okay, wait for it to load. Now here is the kicker. With Alibaba, you can get, shipping within 7 to 15 business days. It will arrive within 7 to 15 business days after order because the manufacturer itself is placing that order and sending it to you directly through a shipping method that you choose. This right here, if I order this to the US, standard shipping, I wouldn't have it till November 28th. Okay, this is the main platform that people use that sell on Wish. That is why it takes so long for you to get your stuff. So if any of y'all have ever been curious about why it takes so long to order things on Wish to get it, this is why. They use AliExpress. It's like, and I feel like most of these are drop shippers themselves. So it's like they're drop shipping from a drop shipper. So I don't know. It just takes forever. Like if I went over here to look at, let's just look at another one and see what their shipping time is, for example. 30 to 50 days is the estimated delivery time. That is ridiculous. But see, that price point is so cheap that most people would order this. And let's say if I was drop shipping this, which I think this is absolutely ugly, by the way. But anyways, if I was drop shipping this, I would sell it at about $19.99. Customer buys it, you can do free shipping, charge free shipping. It's a good marketing strategy. Pay the $3.99 and have it shipped. I'll show you how to incorporate AliExpress into a website. We'll even build a website together. I'll show you how to build a website, set drop shipping and everything. But then you've made 14, 15 bucks. Okay, you don't have to wait for it to be delivered either. You make the money within 3 or 4 days. Okay, that's why drop shipping is popular. I just don't like to do it. However, we will go over it. If some of you want to get into it, that's absolutely fine. I always look for reviews. When I see reviews on a product, I literally go down. I go take a look because sometimes the reviews are for a different product that company sells. Okay, and luckily in this situation, it is the same product, so we're good there. But see, you can't negotiate with the person here. There's no way to message the manufacturer or the dropshipper or anything. There's no way to message them, so it's just add to cart or buy now. But you can see this is definitely oriented for business to customer. But those are the two platforms that I recommend using. And let's see if we can find, let's just look on AliExpress, because a lot of Amazon sellers that try to do the drop shipping thing on Amazon when they're not supposed to, they use this platform as well. So let's see if we can find a product that is sold on Amazon and here so we can compare the price. So let's look for something that is simple. Okay, let's look for a drone. I don't know why I'm choosing a drone, but let's just look for a drone. Okay. Here is a okay, let's find one here. Well, let's just choose one. I'm sure this one's on there. Okay, now let's go to Amazon. That is called a Pro Drone 4K HD dual camera visual positioning. Let's just copy this as let's copy this as keywording here and then do a search and see if we find it. Keep in mind this is only $15.71 to $38.61, and that's probably due to like the variant or like the different color design or what comes with it, like battery packs and stuff. So let's do this search. What do you know? Right here. $46.02. So we can find it again. Okay, looks like that person's like maybe the only one selling that item. Nope, here it is right here too. That's a different variation. That's probably the one that costs $38 and some change. But if you look at that, $161.99 with 783 reviews. Okay. As you can see, like I'm telling you, this is where everybody gets their products. Alibaba and Aliexpress. Okay. All right. So the next video, we are going to be getting into Amazon. We're going to start, I'm going to start going over like how to sell on Amazon. Primarily, it's going to be probably 6 or 7 videos getting in that. Amazon's such a huge marketplace to get into. I'm going to be going over the difference between FBA and FBM on our next video. If you have any questions at all about Alibaba, Aliexpress, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, anything that I've went over in this video or any videos prior, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Send me a direct message on Facebook at ecom for free, or send me a direct email at ecomforfree@gmail.com. I want to be here to help you guys grow, and I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, please feel free to leave a like and show your support for the channel by subscribing. But until next time, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have a blessed night.